Are you looking for a reliable gear hobbing machine for you or your company? You need an accurate service with people that care about your satisfaction? Here we are, ready to offer you both. Just look at this short video about our Pfauter P630 and let us know if you like it. Enjoy! The new Pfauter P630 manual gear hobbing apparatus is the perfect solution for medium-sized production and is based on the proven technology of its bigger sisters. This machine has a robust design incorporating all the latest ergonomic ideas for maximum user-friendliness. The large carriage wheel permits fast adjustment of the hobbing unit to any hob position on the work table, thus reducing setup time significantly. The machine is in complete condition. This is the German quality and trust hobbing machine with a working table of 550 mm and maximum work diameter of 630 mm. The maximum module is 12, with a maximum hob shifting of 200 mm, while the approximate weight is 8,500 kg. It is beautiful, isn't it? If you enjoyed our video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. We would love to hear your thoughts about this mechanical masterpiece, so let us know in the comments below.